just need someone in my life to give a structure to end all the selfish ways I'd spend my time without her. You're everything I want, but I can't deal with all your lovers. You sing I'm the one, but it's your.
A big uproar of this thing called the Satanic Panic, children and the youth being influenced by Satanism. Also, not. Since it was during the spiritualism movement that this whole Ouija board came out to be, that was like kind of shocking. I didn't know if y'all would be down for that, but you showed up.
Short story because it's about 60 pages. I heard about it from a TikTok by Ann Patchett. Picked it up on a total whim, knowing. And exchange it.
See, I know I decorate my walls literally in all of my videos, but this time I actually have a reason, right? I am getting my room painted tomorrow, so I have to remove all these either ways. So now I'm gonna remove these, and then I'm planning to make this little corner of my room ocean themed or whatever. I think I have a board on Pinterest with some ocean themed prints, and I also plan on making a crochet jellyfish, which has been going around for quite a while, and I think it's very cute. So I also want to make a little room transformation video, but the thing is, I don't think my room is gonna get a big makeover or anything. I just plan on changing the prints on my wall and some printed here and there. So let's see what I actually end up doing. But for now, I'm gonna remove all these prints. I removed all the prints, but the thing is, I used double-sided tape, right? And the paint peeled off. So, which is not a problem since I'm getting this repainted tomorrow. But the thing is, I don't want this to happen next time I put any prints. So I think I'm gonna use frames, but I don't like the look of frames. It looks a bit grown up. We will see what I do. I don't think I can use double-sided tape again. This looks nasty.
I wish you bluebirds in the spring to give your heart a song to sing, and then a kiss. But more than this, I wish you love. And in July,
For young girls, do they get eaten? Do they get tortured? What is their terrible fate? Then they took their dowry silver and left. Mostly they would go to Kralia and then go to university. Yeah, that's not so much a terrible fate. Kind of books where there's young women that are afraid of something, like they're gonna be whisked away or be stolen away or kidnapped or anything, and they're like really afraid of it, trying not to go there. And
School bag in hand, she leaves home in the early morning, waving goodbye with an absent-minded smile. I watch her go with a surge of that well-known sadness, and I have to sit down for a while. The feeling that I